Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Right now we're going to do a problem of the day, gadget of the Doraland. Okay, so basically this problem is based on the hash and heap. Okay, so I'm going to do this problem in C++. Okay, so for those who have not read it yet, please try to read yourself. It's very simple things they are explaining very well. So let's read it once. In Doraland, the people have unique identity number called DID. So every person having DID in Doraland. Doraemon owns the most popular gadget shop in the Doraland, right? Okay, so since his gadget is high in demand and he has left only K gadget left, uh, he has decided to sell his gadget to the most frequent customer only. So he is having a shop and there is some customers, so he decided to give his K gadget to his most frequent customers. Okay, so yeah, then the end customer visit his shop in and the ID of each customer is given in the array. So this array basically gives us the DID. Okay, in case of two or more people visit the shop the same number of time, he gives the priority to the customer with higher DID. Okay, so basically in the second example you can get, so he has left with two gadget, right? So whom he will give this, right? So he will give first of all 3. He will choose 3, right? Because 3 is most frequent, 3 times occurring, right? So first gadget he will give to the 3, but that's for the second choice. For the second gadget he has choice, right? So he can give 2 or 1, but he will give it to 2 because like 2 having higher DID, right? Okay, great. So let's do this problem. Let's see the explanation. Okay, how to do that. Okay, basically this is a frequency type problem. So let's take the example once. Let's take this example 8 2 and 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 4, right? So basically what we are given, n equal to 8, okay, and k equal to 2, and the array given us 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 and 4, right? So for finding frequency, the best way to find the frequency with extra space is using unordered map in C++. Okay, unordered map unordered map, right? So basically this is an tool to solve the problems of hashing type. Okay, so in this unordered map what we are going to do, we are storing frequencies, right? Frequencies. So what I am going to do, let's take that map, and for 1 the frequency is what, 2, right? And for 2 what is the frequency? It's 2 again, right? For 3 the frequency is 3, and the 4 the frequency is 1, right? Frequency is 1. So after getting this one, what we are going to do, we are taking a vector. If you don't know what is vector, you can check in your YouTube. This is also a tool. We can access it from STL, standard template library. Okay, so we are using vector of pairs, right? Pairs. And in pairs what we are going to do, we are using this value and this value, storing this value and this value. So for 1 there is 2 frequency, right? and then for 2 there is also 2 frequency, and 3 there is 3 frequency, and 4 there is 1 frequency again, right? Okay, so after storing that, we need the maximum values, right? Maximum frequency. So what we going to do, we are going to sort it, right? Sort it. So what is the criteria of sort? First of all, we are saying if the frequency of two elements are equal, then on what basis we are going to sort them? According to their value, right? The higher value will be comes first. Okay, so the higher, like for this example, 1 and 2 have same frequency, so 2 will be come first, right? 2 will come first before 1 2, right? Okay, otherwise what we can do, according to the frequency we are going to sort it. Okay, so what will be the order will be 3 3, then 2 2, then 1 2, and then 4 1, right? Okay, so after sorting this, we are having this one, right? Okay, that's great. Right now, after that, what we are going to do, we are iterating over k elements. Okay, so for taking first element and the second element, and we are storing it in a vector. So 3 2 will be answer. Okay, hope you will understand this, and I'll gonna show my code right now. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. So first of all, I am taking the size of the array, and then I am this is basically the part of storing the frequency, counting the frequency of the every element. And after that, what I am going to do, I am push back the pair of that element and the frequency of that element in the vector v, right? After that, what I am going to do, I am sorting according to the condition. So if you want to sort it according to some conditions, like you have to pass a comparator, right? So here the comparator will do this one. If the a dot second is equal to b dot second, then return a dot first is greater than b dot first. Okay, otherwise what you have to do, return a dot second is greater than b dot second, right? After doing that, what we are going to do, we are going to check whether k is greater than or 0 and I is less than or equal to v dot size. If it is so, then what we are going to do, we just push back that element in the our answer vector and decrement k and increment I plus plus, and then just return that answer. Actually, I have done these questions. You can see my submission over there. It's correct, right? So the way I will do it again for you. Yeah. Yeah, you can see this one. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel.